Alright, now the time is 10 o'clock. So I didn't take any trades as of now today. So I was just waiting for the setup. So now it looks like it is going to break the support. So I'm going to enter into this particular trade. So let's see how this particular trade goes. Okay, so I have entered into the trade. So let's see how many points I can capture in this trade. So it's 13k. Yeah, so looks like a bigger support coming up from the from the bottom. So I did exit my trade. So today is like Wednesday, and it's option expiry for Bank Nifty. So the premium momentum will be very high, meaning it will be very volatile. So at one point it will go to 30 points up, and it comes to zero, and it goes back to negative. So we should be very careful, and we should execute the trades very fast, right? So that's the reason there's a support in the downside. So I just exit my trade with 13k profit. So let's see. I would need a strong rejection from the top, or from the bottom in the option chart, and then I will try to do another quick scalp. But for now, 13,600 is what I have booked in the first trade. I'll try to book only the smaller profits for the first one or two trades every day. When I have a smaller profits like 15k, or maybe like 20k, so I should be able to give that as a stop loss, and wait for a longer trade. So for the next trades, I'll be giving the profit of the first two trades as the stop loss, and I'll hold for a longer time. So that's what I try to do. That is the reason I'll most of the time try to book a smaller profit, maybe first one or two trades in a day. Okay, so looks like it is taking the rejection from the top, and if you look at the option chart also, it is getting rejected from the level which I have marked. So if it starts going above the previous candle, I think I can take a trade. So let's see how this particular trade goes. Okay, so I will enter this trade. Okay, so yeah, there's a support in the downside, so I did exit my trade. 19,525 is the profit after the second trade. You can see how easy it is to execute the trades in Dhan. So also it will help us to manage the trades better, since it allows us to buy an option in a single click, and also it will shows the profit and loss on the chart itself. So this is something which is very helpful for the scalpers who are like trying to book only few points. And if you would like to open an account in Dhan, so I have shared the link in the description. So you can open an account in Dhan and start trading. Okay, so looks like there is another opportunity to trade. So I will enter into the trade if the support is broken. I can see that the premium is moving very fast. So very volatile moment in the market because of the expiry. Okay, almost it is breaking. So I will execute this trade. Okay, in profit as of now. looks like it is, it is rejecting. It's kind of taking a support. So let's see how this trade goes. Okay, so it's better to exit this particular trade. Okay, it's a very bad candle. Okay, so I did exit the trade, and after the third trade, the profit has come back to 14k. Okay, so here I took another trade. This is based on my setup, and so I was able to capture almost 60 points in this particular trade. But unfortunately, I couldn't record this due to a meeting. So I was in a meeting actually. And after this trade, from 14k, the profit is now 44k. I captured almost 60 points in this particular trade. Okay, so here is another opportunity to trade. So basically the price is trying to break the resistance here. So it did try multiple times already. So if it breaks this resistance, then there should be a good momentum towards upside. So I'm going to buy a call option here if it breaks above the resistance. So let's see if we get an entry here. Okay, so looks like it's getting rejected from the resistance again. I think if it breaks, there should be a good momentum, and at least we should be able to capture some 50-60 points in this trade. Let's see. I think if this resistance is broken, then I'm going to enter into the trade. Okay, so looks like it's trying again. So I think this should be broken. It's getting rejected, I think. Okay, so it's kind of breaking. So I'll just wait for the confirmation. So okay, it's almost breaking. I'll just wait for another 3-4 seconds. Okay, so yeah, almost the momentum looks like it is coming, so I'm going to enter. Yeah, so in positive now. Okay, this candle has to give a good momentum, and okay, so almost already 20 plus. So as you can see, I'm not using a like huge quantity like 1000 or 1800 or 3000 quantities. I'm just using 500 quantities, and I'm trying to get 60 to 50 to 60 points in most of the trades. So if using 500 quantities and trying to get 50-60 points, that's a good thing. And if we are using like 1000 quantities, maybe it will be like double. But I think position sizing is very important. So otherwise the psychology will it will be very hard to manage the trade. Okay, so this follow-up candle has to give a good momentum. Otherwise, if it reverses, then I think we can exit the trade. So we're already having, I think, about 30 k profit, but since I'm already in profit of 44k, so I'm trying to trying to get some more points. So let's see how this candle is going to close. Okay, so looks like it is going. Okay, it's kind of reversing, so okay, it's better to exit the trade. So yeah, I did exit the trade because kind of it's taking the rejection from top, so maybe it's gonna reverse from here, so it's not a good idea to be in this trade. So after the trade, 71,600 is the final profit. Okay, so here is a summary of the trades which I have taken today. So I have closed most of the trades in positive, and I'm closing the day with 71,600 profit. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to me. I am dropping my email in the description. And also, if you're somebody who's new to the trading, I would recommend you to learn and then start investing. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the notifications. And thanks for watching.